Cesarea Eagle swings past the begin, and in second is Luna Rosa. Lucky Touch rushing up, Maker's Marcy, Yellow Cat, Salim, Platinum Lance, then followed by number 4, Pleasure Giver, and Wonderleft, Beastie Early Trailer. Eagle swings the leader by about 2 lengths. Lucky Touch in second, and in third position, Maker's Mark, Salim is done in fourth, and in fifth, Luna Rosa. Platinum Lance is racing in 6. 7 belongs to Yellow Cat, Pleasure Giver, and a long way back to Wonderlab. That's the Eagle swings by about 2 lengths. Lucky Touch still in second, and here comes Maker's Mark. Now trying to get closer in third, Salim in fourth, and in fifth, Luna Rosa, Platinum Lance, Yellow Cat, Pleasure Giver, and Wonderlab. Eagle swings by only a length and a half. Then here comes Maker's Mark, now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Maker's Mark, followed by Eagle Swings in second, Salim in third, Platinum Lance in fourth, then comes Yellow Cat, and it's still Maker's Mark, this time by about 3 lengths. Eagle Swings in second, Yellow Cat, Salim moving up, Platinum Lance, Luna Rosa. Last 75 meters, Maker's Mark, this time by about 6 lengths about Platinum Lance, Yellow Cat, and finally it's Maker's Mark, Platinum Lance, Yellow Cat, Eagle Swings, and Luna Rosa for your Pentapecta.
And it's going to be 7, 8, 5, 3, 1.